Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the Polygon tool in SolidWorks. So for the Polygon tool, you can see right here, it's just any shape where you have sides of n number of sides, and you could specify that as you wish. So it's good for, you know, if you have any sort of polygons you want to make. So maybe you want a pentagon or hexagon, whichever gon you want. So I could go ahead and sketch here, and you could see here it creates 6, 7, 8, 9, and you could keep going as however many you want. So in practice, I think the most common one people make is hexagon. So here you can see your hexagon. So by default, let's say we have it coincident with origin. The location of the circle, you can see it uses a circle as like the center reference sketch. So that is already defined, and I could hit one point and the origin and make it vertical. So that's another dimension. So I could also dimension the center diameter of this. Then you can see that this is fully defined. Okay, so the polygon tool is quite simple. You can also, instead of dimensioning the center, you can also come here and dimension like one of the lengths of this. So maybe I want this to be a 1-inch length. Then this is also fully defined. So it just really depends on the application you're looking at. It may make more sense to dimension one over the other. You would just have to use your best judgment for that. Okay, so you could click this and you could come back and edit it. You can see this is a pattern line. Here you can see, here you can see the patterned, right? So you could come here and edit polygon. You could come here and change it. So you have an inscribed circle. You could have a circumscribed circle, which the circle is on the outside of the polygon or inside. You could decide which one suits you, and you can also make this whole thing for construction. Okay, so that's pretty much it for Polygon. It's pretty simple, and just see which one suits you the best and choose the settings that you will find more useful for your case. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.